What if I beat it while talking about Cardix?
Dude, that's how fucking, like...
You get drained emotionally.
Demented I was by the time I had almost beaten that level. Like, I had just lost all of my marbles.
That call was so fucking bad because we were talking about Cardix.
Dude, that's just how little I cared by the end. It was like, I'm at the tool again. I wonder if I'll die of some stupid bullshit at 80 or something.
I think that's pretty relatable.
Fucking Mac, dude.
Yeah, I'm done with that.
Oh my god.
The ones featured in the video are the fucking, like, cars, the cars with the gun. Not the gun, the fucking radio guy.
What if
And the
Kiwi beats it right
guy
now?
I have never been so nervous in my entire life. Oh my god.
Cardix, dude!
Kiwi! What the hell? Holy shit.
Cardix.
I've literally never been that nervous for any level. Oh my god.
You out of nowhere. What the fuck? Good job.
Then you owe Kiwi $2.
Stupendous.
What? No, I said he wouldn't. No. I said he
I'll
wouldn't.
keep it stupendous. Oh my god.
Stupendous Cardix.
Stupendous.
Cardix are the way to go.
Mac is slinging.
We know.
Okay.
Maters.
That one green car has the smallest one.
Ugh!
Chicken, yeah.
Yeah, chicken.
Okay, but like Sally though?
Can we not? Can we not? Can we not? Can we not?
Yo, girl Cardix. Hold on.
Whoa, whoa.
Yo, real shit stuff? Hold on.
You guys might want to look away. You guys might, yeah, you might want to look away for this.
Oh.
Oh wow, you just suck.
Not over 10k. Let's go.
Huh.
94.83. Yeah.
This is your first list points in how long? Like over a year?
10 months? 11?
Something like
Spatial
that.
round, yeah. That's awesome.